Hello po sa inyo. Nandito na naman po ako. wala po akong video guys kasi po masyadong mainit sa labas guys. Hindi po ako lumabas. Nakaka-dry ng lalamunan. Hindi naman mahangin naman dito pero mainit pa rin guys. So ngayon po ay maglalaba na lang po ako guys. Ito po yung dami ko pong dirty clothes. Isang bucket. Tapos ito na po konti pa po yan. Malaki kasi yung namin yung machine wash. Nalagay po ako ng water. Okay. Yung water po is nanggaling dito at saka dyan. Ano po, pinsi lang po. At saka, yun sa yung ito naman po yung yung powder soap. Yan. Tama na po yan. Saka maglagay po ako ng maraming damit hanggang dito po. Ito pangalawa lang po ito. 2 loads lang po ito. Dami 2 loads. Continue naman tayo maglagay. Diyan. Pag nagwawash po ako ng clothes guys is upside down. Kasi po pag matapos na pong sa timer, ko naman po ito. Tawag nito. Balik ta rin sa face. Yan po lahat is wrong side po yan. So ibabaliktad ko po yan pagkatapos ng dalawang ikot. Dalawang ikot guys, number 9. Lagay ko dito number 9. Dalawang ikot po. Tapos right side ko po yung lahat na clothes. Para po maano na. Naagas na ni. Ayan sa tubig. It's leaking here. Yan naman po ako dito basin para dito. Saan mo siya nalili? Saan mo nalili? Wala. Nalili? Nabalik. Uy! Nalik lagi siya doon. Saan mo nalili? Look at the water. Philip will fix first because I forgot that last time I wash. I did not wash it here because the water will just keep on draining and it is good to spin only. So now I want him to fix it. He can fix this one because before he fixed here, he cut the, I don't know where did he cut that one before. Okay, let's see here. Maybe you unplug first.
Oh yeah, we should unplug it.
I cannot reach that. There you go. Oh, that's the one?
Yep.
So, yan po. Yan po ang ni Philip. Ito po. yung water drain. Kasi noon po ay saan yun? Ito po yung Phoenix niya. Tapos now we keep on draining. Galing naman ang ano. Hindi masyadong marami. Para makawash ako, guys. Dami ako clothes to be washed. Po ang hangin dito. Tingnan niyo po. Mahangin. Wow, fresh air. So many air. Ayan.
That's what I want to do. Is I want to break that off completely.
Okay. Where's that wire? Oh. Yan po, high-tech, guys.
Oh, see, that'll do. That will not work. That's not the right kind of wire. Yeah, I'll try this. I'll try it one other way here, and if that doesn't work, then
Tie it properly.
we got to do something else here. It's too soft a wire. Yep, that won't work.
Ito po yung na-break, guys. So, ito. Yung drain. Kasi hindi na po yan connected doon. Ayan. Ito. Paikot ko po. Ayan. Yan po ang nasira. So, ito po siya ay connected dito, guys. Yan. Diyan pero nasira na po. Nasira na po dyan. So, imamanual na lang ni Philip. Galing naman. There you go. That one won't what do you call this one? I mean won't ground. Huh?
What? It's got no electrical hookup here. That way you can grab it. This can go back over the holder. I just put that on there so we wouldn't get a mouse in there.
Finish.
Okay, now let's see how this...
I think. Okay. Rest naman eh.
all
This,
I need
this
really.
is really durable machine. Samsung.
Come on. First.
That's it. Very good.
Well, son of...
Let's start on the water. Very good. Good, darling.
Well, then when you want to drain it,
Yeah, you just pull that one. Okay, very good. Thank you. Good.
yeah, just keep an eye on it.
Thank you.
And if you had some way of...
Thanks.
Yeah.
Happy. The machine is working now. I need to add more water here, so I can add more clothes. Okay. Finish checking the water in the tank. He needs to pump more the water because he wants to clean the storage pool. So I'm happy guys, the machine start working again. Bye guys, thanks for watching.